Dear students, today we will do a grammar topic, that is subject verb agreement. Now you already know that every sentence has a subject and a verb. So verb is the word shows us the action, and subject is the person who is doing that particular work or action. The subject and the verb should agree with each other in number and person. So in number and person, like person is doing some work, verb will be written. So that is only known as subject verb agreement. So it is an agreement between the number of persons and the verb. Singular verb is used with the singular subject. Now you must remember what is a singular verb. Singular subject means simply means single person. Like they have given the example, Mohini reads the newspaper every day. Here Mohini is a singular person. It's a single person, and her action is, her verb is reads. See, for a singular verb, we always use, with the verb, we always use s or es. With the second one, a plural verb is used with plural subject. Two persons are there, more than one person, that is your plural verb. Here to participate in the race. So students, thus are helping verb, but it is used for as is. Now this table shows three most commonly used verbs with subject pronouns. Now see the verbs. Uh, it is I, you, he or it, we or they. So be is the form, the be form is there. The other form of verb of be is am, are, is, are. And then is have is there. So have, has or have. Then do is there, do, does and do. With I, now read this one, I. With I we always use am. And with I itself, the helping verb is have. And then do is there. Then if you say the you are, you, we always count the other person. If you are talking to the another person, we always use it as a plural word. So you are, and you have, and then you do. She, he, it, that is a single person. So here the helping verb will be is and has, and if the perfect tense is there, then it will be has, and then if the present tense is there, then does is there. Then is your we and the. We and they are the plural verbs. So there the plural helping verb will be there are. And with the perfect one, we have the have, and then do is there. Does will not come. Does will come with singular. I hope the things are clear to you. We'll do the exercises now. Fill in the blanks with the correct verbs form the box. Now, Shaina is listening to a song by Bob Dylan. So, Shaina is, as Shaina is a singular person, and single verb will be is. Then is Ishan. Ishan again is a single person. So the verb will be with the word s or es. So goes. Here we add es, goes. Ishan goes out to play with his friends in the evening. And then they. See the they there, that means more than one persons are there, maybe two or more. They are. So helping verb will be are. They are going to visit the National Museum of History. Then Sugandha's father. No, only single father is there. Again, the verb will be with S or ES. So works in Chandigarh. Aman's cousins, here we are talking about two cousins, so two are there, so there the verb will be single, not with the letters S or ES. That will not be added, that will be the plural verb will be live, it will not be lives. So Aman's cousins live near his house. The road forks. Forks again, S we have added because the road is a singular subject. So the road forks into two after 3 kilometers. So the road is divided into two parts after 3 kilometers. Then Himanshu. Himanshu is a single boy name. So Himanshu buys. We are not having adding here buy. We are adding S with this buys because Himanshu is singular. So singular verb will be buys, not buy. Books from an old bookstore. Now next one is Tuhin. Tuhin dash that the practice sessions should be longer. So it is thinks. Not we are not using here think, as think is the plural verb and thinks is the singular verb. I hope the things are clear. Rest of the things we will do in our online class. Thank you.